Hi there, this is Clay Hicks with H7 Network. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. I wanted to do a short little video on I'm agnostic. I'm agnostic. So that's great. That's great. It's great that you're agnostic. It's great that you know your business very well, but it's really difficult on other people that are trying to help you when they ask you what you're looking for and you say agnostic. That is a pitfall when networking. That is a pitfall when doing your one-to-ones. That is a huge pitfall when you're building your business by word of mouth. So it's better to do this. Be prepared for who you're looking to meet in the form of industry. When you go into your one-to-ones, use industry. It's a great industry you like to work with. It doesn't mean you can't work with all of them. It doesn't mean that they can't help you with others. It just means that they need to hear it in a certain way. Our brains are not wired to be able to picture agnostic. What you're saying is no one. I don't want to meet anyone. And so practice just using an industry. And I know it's difficult, but be intentional with your networking. So next time you're in a one-to-one, tomorrow, today, in a little bit, when you're in that one-to-one and they ask you what you're looking for, pick an industry. Everybody have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.